The Supreme Court reviewed a challenge to New York State's gun restrictions on concealed firearms in public places.
It's the first major gun rights case before the court in more than a decade. Our Washington correspondent, Alexandra Limon, joining us live to talk about the case. Good morning, Alex.
Hi there, good morning. Well, that New York state law restricts where and under what circumstances people can carry concealed weapons, but a decision from the Supreme Court could have national implications because at least 7 other states have similar laws. Wednesday, the U.S. Supreme Court heard a challenge to a New York state law that says people must obtain a license in order to carry a concealed firearm outside of their home for self-defense.
I was shot in my head while meeting with my constituents.
Former Congresswoman Gabby Giffords was shot outside of a grocery store in Tucson, Arizona. On the steps of the Supreme Court, she and other survivors of gun violence expressed support for New York's restrictions.
We don't want to take your guns, but we need a law to save our children.
They say regulations of concealed carry permits prevent more Americans from being shot and killed at places they should feel safe going. But gun rights advocate Katie Novotny argues she deserves the right to protect herself.
Self-defense is a civil right.
Novotny says New York's law takes that right away. Lawyers representing the New York branch of the NRA made a similar argument before the Supreme Court justices. Chief Justice John Roberts questioned whether New York's law is too restrictive.
If you're out in the woods, it's pretty unlikely that you're going to run into someone who's going to rob you on the street.
But Justice Stephen Breyer questioned whether states will then be able to restrict concealed weapons anywhere, like in schools or places where alcohol is served.
What are we supposed to say, in your opinion, that is going to be clear enough that we will not produce a kind of gun-related chaos?
And it has been more than a decade since the Supreme Court heard a major Second Amendment case, but now this new 6-3 conservative majority is diving right into the issue. Reporting live in Washington, Alexandra Limon.
It's been one of these issues where it is going to be interesting to see what comes out of the court now that there is this new majority. We appreciate it, Alexandra. Thanks.